part 1 I had discussed about the multiple inheritance and what is the method resolution order. So in this video we will see one industry level example how to achieve multiple inheritance. So in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about some university system that using the multiple inheritance. I have a class called as person that contains attribute name and address, class called employee that contains employee ID and salary, and other class student that contains the attributes student ID and the courses. Now I need to create a child class that inherits the attributes or method from the parent classes. Okay, so my class is teaching assistant that acquires the attributes from the parent classes person, employee and the student. Okay, so syntax would be class teaching assistant and name of the parent classes in order which we want to execute. So let me define the classes. Okay, also this class contains one method called as get underscore details. Okay, similar way let me define other class called as employee. Let me define the same method get underscore details. So let me copy from this person class. Now let me define one more class that is student. Same method get details, this one. Now let us create the child class called as teaching assistant. Using the parent class name person dot underscore underscore init. I will call this init method and attribute would be self, name and address. Okay, similar way for employee. Okay, now next one is the student class. So student, right? So we have initialized all the attributes of the parent classes in the child class. Now this class teaching assistant contained one method called as get underscore details. Okay, now let us create the object of this child class. Now let's add a print statement teaching assistant dot get underscore details. All right, now let me execute